Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I wanted to show you guys that I took the crochet scrunchies a step further and I created a headband. You guys, I love this headband, but you guys, if you know me, then you know that I've got to have some bling. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what you can do to take the scrunchies, you know, a step further, and that is creating headbands. So what I did is I had these little skinny metal headbands, you know, that are for customizing and making your own, and I just covered it up with the yarn, and then on the bottom of it I just put some soft felt, you know, that goes around your ears. Now I like this headband especially because one is crochet. I love crochet. Two, it's really frilly. Three, there are like different ways that you can wear this. You can wear it as is, just like this, or I actually like bunching it up and wearing it like that, and it looks like a frilly crown on top of my head. Like it, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this is what it looks like on my head. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some rhinestones to the top layer, to the gray, and I'm going to do that with my hot fix tools. Anytime you guys see me add rhinestones, it's always with this tool right here. This is a hot fix tool. You can get this off of Amazon. It was like 15 bucks. And I'm going to be using AB crystals. Those are my favorite. I add them things to everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it all the way around, and then I'll be back.